Hey, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a Golden Horse roller skates unboxing and my first impression of these skates. So I'm very excited about making this video today. So I have just received my Golden Horse skates. I've literally just got them out of the box that they was delivered in, and I haven't even opened the box yet because I just want to make this a very real impression video so that you will genuinely be getting my first impression of these skates, and I'm so excited. So I came across Golden Horse because I was looking for some custom, well, they're semi-custom made skates, and the reason why is just because the skates that I had been wearing, so I've tried Impalas, I've tried Moxies, I find if I wear them for a long period of time, my little toes tend to get a little bit of pain and a little bit red because I think the size of my feet is kind of in between sizes. So I thought, okay, I need some skates that I can wear for when I'm wearing skates all day, when I'm practicing all day and when I'm trying to just, you know, really drill a move. I want to be able to wear something comfortable so that I can just keep them on all day. So I came across Golden Horse because loads of people are wearing them at the moment and they just look so gorgeous. I saw this colour. I'm so excited to open them. I haven't even looked at them yet, and I've seen a few people wearing this exact colour and I was like, oh my god, beautiful. They are beautiful. I love them. Here we have the box. I'm so excited to open them. So I chose to go for the Street Magic skates with the fibre compound plate, and you'll get to see the colours right now, so I'm so excited. Let's open here. Oh my god. Oh my god, they are beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, I went for the pink Street Magic skates with the yellow light up wheels. And these wheels that I went for are the 58mm wheels because I kind of just felt like I have a 62mm pair. I'm going to get a 65mm pair to go on trail skates and things. And I thought these will be a really gorgeous skate to kind of practice spinning and things like that in. And so I wanted a smaller wheel to be able to do things like that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put the box on the floor so that I don't drop them. I'll just get one out at a time. So, oh my god, they smell. Oh, they smell amazing. This is the kind of smell that I'm pretty sure anyone else may be like, oh, it's like new, fresh. So here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Obviously it's quite dark, it's quite light in here. I don't know if you'll be able to see them in here. Look! Oh my god, I love them so much. Wow. Okay, I just love them. So, as you can see, pink, gorgeous. They have really nice laces. These are not like the usual laces. These are more like proper like trainer laces, which I really like, because I find with my other laces on my other skates, where they're kind of like thin, they tear a lot when you put them around here, which is highly annoying, but these look lovely. And I went for the yellow light up wheels, which, oh my goodness, they are beautiful. I'm so excited to wear these like properly. So the way that the customization for these works is you can obviously go onto their website, which I'll link in the description. You put in all of your kind of information, so you put in what color you want, you put in what wheels you want, what size wheels you want, what trucks you want, all of that jazz you put in to the website, and then you can speak to them through email and discuss with them your sizing. And the way I did that was I took pictures of my feet, and they send you a full PDF of how to do this and how to place your feet. You have to place your feet on the floor on a ruler, and basically they measure your exact feet size. So rather than it just being like, oh, I'm a size 6, here's a pair of size 6 skates, but actually you're a size 6, but you know, they're just not all feet are the same. So, you know, like my little toes were getting quite crushed in my other size 6 skates. So I am very excited to see how these ones will compare to those, as these ones are marked as a size 6, but they are also with my own measurements as well. So they basically take whatever size you are and then customize them to make them fit your feet, if that makes sense. But obviously this is my unboxing. I will also make a review once I've worn them for a long time. But overall, they look absolutely beautiful. I can't actually deal with how happy I am with them. I'm just looking at them and I'm so excited to wear them. Like, they're just gorgeous. Obviously, I already have a purple pair of skates. I have my white ones with the green on them, and so I really wanted a pink pair just to kind of be able to mix and match with different outfits, because that's the kind of thing I think about with skates. I do have a discount code. I have a discount code 10% off with my discount code, which I'll place on the screen here right now and link in the description as well. So my discount code is Lucy and Skates. So just put that in at the checkout and you will get 10% off of these beautiful skates if you are interested in getting yourself some. Okay, so I'm going to try them on quickly, just in here, just to see how they feel. I'm so excited, honestly. Oh, they're so soft inside. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, they're so soft inside. Oh my God, they fit so well. Oh my God. Like, I feel like my excitement is almost dramatic, but they are so comfortable. I can't even believe how comfortable they are. Oh my God, and the wheels are flashing. Oh my God. Let me see if I can show you. They fit absolutely perfectly, which I am very happy about. They feel extremely comfortable as well. They are really soft here, and this is so soft and comfy, and all around here is like an almost fleece lining, which I love. Let me show you. Oh my God, I love them. It's sort of soft and fleecy all around the top bit. Just looks lovely and it feels amazing. I love it. It's got this like gold line around the top. It's just so soft. I don't really know how to describe this. See, I absolutely hate the feeling of velvet. Hate velvet. Velvet is one of them things. If I touch, my best friend used to have this velvet skirt she used to wear to work, and she used to, if she did that to it, make my teeth go funny, if you know what I mean. This is not like that. This is kind of like soft. Like, I don't know, it's just like soft. It's just soft. Oh, it's lovely. I'm so excited to wear these later. They have this really cute little golden horse on the side of them. Just on this one skate. Look at that. It's so cute. I've seen so many people wearing these skates and seen so many people wearing this colour. Oh, I just love it. I just think it looks so cute. I love this as well. I don't know whether I'll leave it on or not. I don't know. I'm trying to think, will it annoy me? But regardless, it's so cute. I love that. They are so adorable. So that is my very first impression of these gorgeous skates. They fit amazingly so far. Just by putting one on quickly, I can already tell that they're going to be so comfortable. I love the toe stop. I love the light up wheels. I'm so excited to wear them when it's a bit darker so you can properly see them flashing. I absolutely love the colour. I absolutely love the colour wheels, the colour laces, the gold rim, how soft they are. I'm very excited right now, and I'm very excited to see if they are a lot more comfortable wearing them long periods of time. So I'm going to now go out and try these outside for the first time. So I will see you in a moment when I'm outside.